Home for me, it's where I find my comfort zone. So home, it could be my family, it could be my friends, it could be a work environment, it could be the university environment. It's where I can freely express myself, freely implement my resources, and freely to do what I want to do in the future.
Home for me is the place where I feel safe and protect.
Home to me is where my family is.
Home for me is definitely something that you are building on. In my life, I've been lucky enough to travel, to study in different countries, and I think it's a constant work. You have to work on building your own home. You obviously have a family, and home can have different meanings, but I think if we think in terms of human rights, I think home can be everywhere.
Home for me, it's where my family is. Wherever they are, where I feel like I'm in home. So mainly it's Beit Jala because that is where my family is.
Therefore, I think here I really felt home with these guys because they are building their piece of peace in a place in which peace is something not normal for them.
Home for me, it's safety, to feel safe, family, doing anything without barriers.
The bad thing is that it's only Bethlehem. I do not get to go wherever I want when I want. It's like if I want to go outside, I'm in this small prison and it needs a lot of procedures, which is really tiring.
Actually, home where my family is, and with good friends, good environment, and here for sure in Palestine, Beit Sahur, where I live.
When I am with my family, it's home for me. But my family is not only the member of my family. For example, my new sister is my best friend. So when I am with her, I'm at home.
For me, the word home is to live with my friends, with my family, and in my hometown in Haifa.
I try to travel. I love to discover new places, new cultures. But home, is a place where I can be safe.
Home for me is when you're going through a difficult day or a difficult period or a difficult time. It's the place you want to go. It's the place that you dream of going to feel safe, to feel relaxed again. It's the place you imagine in your home, and it can be transient. Maybe it changes throughout your life, maybe it remains the same. For me, I've had more than one, and especially in this instance, it's very interesting to think where they would dream to go.
Home is where my family is, where my heart is, where I feel safe, where I feel that I belong to. I have responsibilities toward home, but I also have some expectations from home to give me the comfort. I mean, could be a physical place like my residence, it could be my country, Palestine. That's home for me.